Hello everyone. Now let's talk about Pipitoage. While most crypto projects are just numbers on a screen, Pipitoage is a movement for those who can speak. Born from the Doge community, its mission has always been clear. Use the power of decentralized finance to save real-world dogs. So we aren't just thinking about it, we're doing it. Baby Doge is the only meme coin that officially holds a Guinness World Record for helping animals. They shattered the record by donating over 81 pounds of dog food in 24 hours. That's thousands of full bellies thanks to the army. The mission continues right now. In March 2026, Baby Doge launched its latest charity program with a first stop in Cebu. They delivered food, medicine, and toys to shelters caring for 500 animals. Over 1.5 million has been donated globally to date to the partners like Best Friends Animal Society and the ASPCA.